Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to our channel Gadget Guide Pro. They review all new smartphone specifications, design and performance. So let's go. In a world where technology reigns supreme, a new threat lurks in the shadows. Your smartphone is your lifeline. What if it's also your greatest vulnerability? Cyber threats are on the rise. Your personal data is at risk. We uncovered a shocking truth. A new smartphone has been designed with security in mind. Introducing the Vivo X200 Pro Mini, with advanced biometric security and AI-powered threat detection. Watch as we put the Vivo X200 Pro Mini to the test. Its advanced AI detects and blocks threats in real time. But that's not all. The Vivo X200 Pro Mini also boasts unparalleled performance and advanced features. With its MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset and up to 16 GB of RAM, this phone is a game changer. Protect yourself from the unseen threat. Upgrade to the Vivo X200 Pro Mini today. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to our channel, Gadgets.